Hello, this is Electrical World and I'm Jaideep Singh. Today our topic is diode. Before starting the video, I have a question for you. What is the function of a diode in a rectifier circuit? A. To amplify the signal. B. To regulate the voltage. C. To allow current to flow in only one direction. D. To store energy. I will give the answer at the end of this video. Let's start the topic. Diodes are electronic components that allow current to flow in only one direction. They are made up of semiconductor material, usually silicon or germanium, with impurities added to create a p-type and n-type region. The p-type region has an excess of positively charged holes, while the n-type region has an excess of negatively charged electrons. When the p-type and n-type regions are brought into contact, a depletion region is formed at the junction between them, where there are no free charges. The diode has two terminals, an anode and a cathode. The anode is the positive terminal, and the cathode is the negative terminal. When a voltage is applied to the diode, current will flow through the diode if the anode is at a higher potential than the cathode. This is because the electric field created by the applied voltage will cause the free electrons in the n-type region to move towards the junction and combine with the holes in the p-type region. This creates a current flow from the anode to the cathode, and the diode is said to be forward biased. However, if the voltage is applied in the opposite direction, with the anode at a lower potential than the cathode, the electric field will repel the free electrons in the n-type region away from the junction, and the holes in the p-type region away from the junction. This creates a depletion region that is wider than the normal depletion region. The width of the depletion region increases with increasing reverse voltage, until it becomes wide enough to prevent any current flow through the diode. This is known as the breakdown voltage, and the diode is said to be reverse biased. In summary, diodes are electronic components that allow current to flow in only one direction. They are made up of a p-type and n-type semiconductor material that creates a depletion region at the junction between them. When a voltage is applied to the diode, current flows through it if the anode is at a higher potential than the cathode, and the diode is forward biased. If the voltage is applied in the opposite direction, the diode is reverse biased and prevents any current flow until the breakdown voltage is reached. Diodes are commonly used in electronic circuits for rectification, voltage regulation, and signal processing. Now the answer of the question is C, to allow current to flow in only one direction. Thank you. If you like this video, please do subscribe and like Electrical World channel. Thank you. Electrical World.